Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open zero balance account in Emirates NBD. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser and simply search for emiratesnbd.com. Now, once you are on the official website, you need to click on the accounts option, and then in your accounts option, you just have to scroll down a bit and you will see a bunch of different options or the accounts that you can basically open with Emirates NBD. So among the given options, you need to simply click on the savings account and click on the open account option. Now, after clicking on it, it will redirect you on the further page where you can select which type of savings account you want to open. So you can click on the view all savings account option and you can select the one that has zero fees. So after selecting that particular savings account, you just have to simply click on the apply now button right next to it, and then you will be landed on this type of page where you will have to provide your details like your whether you are an existing customer with Emirates NBD, yes or no, then your full name, your email address, and mobile number, and further details. So this way you will be able to basically apply now for the zero balance account with Emirates NBD. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.